Hello guys, it's Fusion, and today we're gonna teach you how to do the frog sound. And for how to do this beat, it's very simple and easy. First, you must stop breathing when you're going to do this beat. Then you must put your tongue in your back of your mouth on the roof of your mouth, like that. But I can't open my mouth and put it back. Yeah, but try it. Then make the tongue roll. If you don't know how to do it, I'll leave a link in the description below. And then do it without breathing. It will sound something like this. Yeah, and this is a frog sound. But if you want, put the basic kick drum. If you don't know how, I'll put the link in the description. And for my previous tutorial, and it's just for a small recap. It's yeah, and now let's go for our first practice beat. And for our first practice beat, you can follow me in the notation here. It's very simple and for beginners. And you can follow me. And again. More. Practice make perfect. Again. Yeah. And now let's go for a second practice beat. And for our second practice beat, you can follow me in the notation here. It's very difficult, as you see, but try to follow up and tell me in the comment if you did it well or not. For a second time. And the third time and the last time. And that was a Fusion teaching you a SFX sound, that is a frog sound. And yes, it is very simple beat, but it's very hard to put it in a rhyme or while beatboxing, but you can. Everyone can. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and check our playlist for more SFX sound in the description. And peace.